When we're out in the fields all day, especially in the summer, you're in panic mode from like the moment you wake up until the moment you go to bed. What I love about cooking is if the farm is my office, my kitchen is my happy place. So I can come in here filthy dirty and just look at like what bounty I have and not be stressed for a little while. I'm not me if it's not like coming in and cooking at the end of the day. What I love about Bob's is that they are a local company and they're supporting other local farms. And so I know that they're sourcing from small farmers and creating good quality ingredients. Cheshua is the best baker I know, and I knew when I was writing my cookbook that if I was gonna do a pizza dough recipe, it had to be hers. It's bulletproof. You can top it with anything you want. And for me, I'm just gonna walk out to the farm and gather whatever's looking good. Kale's cranking, the kohlrabi looks really good. To me, farming, cooking, and eating are really about one thing: love.
Yeah, baby.
There's a pizza for every season, but the heart and soul of a good pizza is its crust. You don't have to be a farmer to know that good quality ingredients simply taste better.